If you want to make your images look cleaner, softer, and more professional, adding rounded corners in GIMP is a quick and easy edit you can do in just a few steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add rounded corners to images in GIMP, even if you're a complete beginner. This works great for thumbnails, profile images, social media graphics, and any design where you want a smoother look instead of hard square edges. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in GIMP. Once your image is loaded, you'll need to activate the Rectangle Select tool. The fastest way to do that is by pressing the R key on your keyboard. That will select the rectangle tool right away, so you don't have to hunt through the toolbar. After that, look over to the Tool Options panel on the left side of the screen. This panel changes depending on the tool you've selected, so make sure you're looking at the Rectangle Select settings. In the Tool Options panel, find the checkbox labeled Rounded Corners. Click that box to turn it on. This is the setting that tells GIMP you want the selection to have curved corners instead of sharp edges. Once that is enabled, you'll see a radius slider directly below it. This slider controls how round the corners will be. If you want a subtle curve, use a smaller number. If you want a much softer and more noticeable rounded corner effect, increase the value to something like 40 or 50. The higher the radius, the more dramatic the rounding will be. Now, it's time to make the selection. Click and drag your cursor from the absolute top left corner of your image all the way down to the bottom right corner. The goal here is to select the full image, so try to start right at the edge and cover the entire picture. Because rounded corners are enabled, your selection should now follow that curved shape instead of a sharp rectangle. Once your full image is selected, the next step is to invert the selection. Press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. This flips the selection so that everything outside the rounded area is selected instead of the image itself. This is important because the next step will remove the outer corners and leave you with the rounded shape you want. After inverting the selection, press the Delete key. This will remove the selected corner areas and create the rounded corner effect on your image. If your image has transparency enabled, the corners should disappear cleanly. If you don't see transparency, you may need to make sure your layer supports an alpha channel, but for most standard image edits, this method works perfectly. At this point, your image should now have rounded corners and a much cleaner look. You can keep editing if you want, or export the image as a PNG if you want to preserve the transparent corners. PNG is usually the best choice when you want to keep the rounded edges visible after saving. So just to recap, press R to open the Rectangle Select tool, enable rounded corners in the Tool Options panel, adjust the radius slider, drag across the full image, press Ctrl+I, and then press Delete. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.